Hey everyone, and welcome back to the Healthy Life channel. Tonight, we're going to do something a little different, something special to help us unwind and prepare for a truly restful night's sleep. We're going to create a matcha meditation ritual. Now, I know what you might be thinking: matcha before bed? Isn't that full of caffeine? And you're right, traditional matcha can be stimulating. But we're going to be using a very special kind of matcha, or even a decaffeinated version, to harness its calming properties without the caffeine buzz. The key here is the ritual itself, the mindful preparation, the gentle warmth, and the intentional breathing that accompanies it. This isn't about getting a caffeine hit. It's about creating a moment of peace, a signal to your body and mind that it's time to slow down. So, find a quiet, cozy spot, dim the lights, and let's begin our journey to tranquility together. First, let's gather everything we need. You'll want a high-quality, ceremonial-grade matcha, preferably one that's low in caffeine or specifically made for evening use. Some brands now offer decaf matcha, or you could even use a caffeine-free alternative like hojicha powder, which is roasted green tea and has a lovely, nutty flavor. You'll also need a traditional matcha bowl, called a chawan, a bamboo whisk or chasen, and a small sifter. If you don't have these, don't worry. A small bowl and a milk frother or a small regular whisk will work just fine. The goal is to be mindful, not perfect. Finally, have your hot water ready. The ideal temperature is around 175 degrees Fahrenheit or 80 degrees Celsius. If the water is too hot, it will make the matcha taste bitter. A good trick is to boil the water and then let it sit for a few minutes to cool down. Now, let's start the preparation. This is where our meditation truly begins. Take your sifter and place it over your bowl. Measure out about half a teaspoon to 1 teaspoon of matcha powder into the sifter. As you gently tap the side of the sifter, watch the fine, vibrant green powder fall into the bowl. Pay attention to the color, the texture, and the subtle, grassy aroma that's released. This simple act of sifting prevents clumps and ensures a smooth, frothy drink. It's also our first step in being fully present. Let go of any thoughts about your day, the to-do lists, the conversations, the worries. Just focus on this beautiful green dust, a gift from nature, as it settles softly in your bowl. This is your moment. There's nothing else you need to do, nowhere else you need to be. Just here, now, with your matcha. Next, we'll add the water. Pour a small amount, just about 2 ounces or 60 milliliters of your hot water into the bowl over the sifted matcha. Now, take your bamboo whisk. Hold it vertically with a light but firm grip. We're going to start whisking in a rapid W or M motion. The key is to move from your wrist, not your arm. As you whisk, you'll start to see a beautiful, thick foam form on the surface. Listen to the sound of the whisk against the bowl. Feel the gentle resistance of the liquid. Watch as the color transforms into a creamy, jade-like green. Keep whisking for about 20 to 30 seconds until you have a lovely layer of fine bubbles. If you're using a milk frother, just submerge the tip and turn it on until you achieve that same frothiness. This process is called koicha, or thick tea preparation, and it's a meditative practice in itself. Once your matcha is perfectly whisked and frothy, it's time to bring the bowl into your hands. If you're using a traditional chawan, hold it with both hands, one supporting the bottom and the other cradling the side. Feel the warmth seep into your palms. This warmth is grounding. It's comforting. Before you take your first sip, bring the bowl close to your face and take a deep breath in, inhaling the rich, earthy, and slightly sweet aroma. Notice the notes. Is it grassy, nutty, or a little oceanic? Let the scent fill your senses and calm your mind. Now, as you prepare to drink, we'll incorporate our first mindful breathing exercise. Inhale deeply through your nose for a count of 4. Hold your breath for a count of 4. And then exhale slowly through your mouth for a count of 6. Let's do that together now. In for 4, hold for 4. And out for 6. Now, take your first sip. Don't gulp it down. Let the warm, velvety liquid coat your tongue. What flavors do you notice? There's the characteristic umami, that savory depth, maybe a hint of natural sweetness, and a smooth, clean finish. As you swallow, feel the warmth travel down your throat and into your stomach, spreading a gentle, calming sensation throughout your body. Take another sip, and this time, close your eyes. With each sip, I want you to release a tension you're holding. On the first sip, release the tension in your jaw and shoulders. Let them drop. On the second sip, release any tightness in your chest and stomach. On the third sip, release the stress from your mind. Imagine each sip washing away the remnants of the day, leaving you feeling clean, clear, and peaceful. Continue sipping slowly, savoring each moment. This is your personal ceremony. As you continue to enjoy your matcha, let's deepen our breathing practice. Place one hand on your belly. As you inhale through your nose, feel your belly expand like a balloon. As you exhale slowly through your mouth, feel your belly gently fall. This is diaphragmatic breathing, or belly breathing, and it's incredibly effective at activating our body's relaxation response. Let's try it for a few rounds. Inhale, belly rises. Exhale, belly falls. Inhale, feel the calm enter. Exhale, feel the stress leave. Don't force it. Just allow your breath to find its own natural, slow rhythm. Your mind might wander, and that's completely okay. When it does, gently guide your attention back to the sensation of your breath and the warmth of the bowl in your hands. This is the practice of mindfulness, not an absence of thought, but a gentle returning to the present moment. Now that you've finished your matcha, place the empty bowl down beside you. Find a comfortable seated position, or you can even lie down if you prefer. Close your eyes. Let's do a simple body scan meditation to complete our ritual. Bring your awareness to the top of your head. Feel the sensation of the air on your scalp. Now, move your attention down to your forehead. Soften the space between your eyebrows. Relax your eyes, your cheeks, your jaw. Let your tongue rest gently in your mouth. Move your awareness down to your neck and shoulders. Consciously release any tension you're holding there. Feel them become heavy and relaxed. Let this wave of relaxation flow down your arms, through your elbows, wrists, and into your fingertips. Feel a gentle tingling or warmth in your hands. Continue this wave of relaxation down through your chest and your back. This matcha meditation ritual is a beautiful gift you can give yourself at the end of the day. It is a way to create a clear boundary between the business of your day and the restorative peace of your night. You can adapt it. Make it your own. The most important part is the intention you bring to it. The intention to care for yourself, to be present, and to cultivate inner peace. Thank you so much for sharing this moment of tranquility with me tonight. I hope it brings you a deep and restful sleep. If you enjoyed this practice, please give this video a like and consider subscribing for more content on mindfulness and well-being. Sweet dreams.